In this video, we will go over the anatomy of the frontal bone and the lacrimal bone. This right here is the frontal bone. We have one frontal bone in the skull. It articulates with the two parietal bones. This articulation forms the coronal suture. This part right here, this is the glabella. And this right here is the supraorbital margin, which forms part of the orbit. This opening within the frontal bone is the supraorbital foramen. On this model right here, we can see part of the frontal bone, which forms part of the orbit right here. Within the frontal bone, we have the frontal sinus. This right here is the frontal sinus. A sinus is a space within the bone. On this model, we can see the frontal bone. This is the supraorbital margin. And this is the supraorbital foramen. Moving to the lacrimal bone, this bone right here is the lacrimal bone. On the lacrimal bone, we have the lacrimal fossa, which is this depression right here. Whereas this bone right here is the nasal bone. Also, we can see the lacrimal bone right here. This is the lacrimal fossa, where the lacrimal sac, which is part of the lacrimal apparatus, the apparatus that forms the tear and drains the tears, located. On this model, we can see the lacrimal bone, and this right here is the lacrimal fossa. On this model right here, we can see the lacrimal bone and the lacrimal fossa right here, which has this structure, which is the lacrimal sac. This is the nasal bone. We can see again the lacrimal fossa, and this is the lacrimal bone, whereas this is the nasal bone.